Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming mobile data is active and that you have allowance, otherwise tethering will fail. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Personal Hotspot or Connections, then toggle Mobile Hotspot on. Make sure to set a clear SSID name and a WPA2 password so others can't join. You do this now because an unsecured hotspot risks data and battery. Enabling it first sets the stage for device pairing and speed testing. Once your hotspot is on, you configure how it shares. You choose 4 GHz for broader range or 5 GHz for faster throughput if the Realme C11 firmware supports it. Next, enable USB tethering or Bluetooth when you want a single secure link and reduced interference. Plug or pair to confirm. Also make sure to limit connected devices and inspect the client list and data usage so no rogue device drains your plan. This keeps speed predictable. You finish by securing and optimizing the hotspot. Enable auto-off timeout and always turn it off when idle to save battery and data. If a device won't connect or speed is poor, restart the hotspot, toggle airplane mode, or reboot the phone to clear network hangups. Make sure to check carrier tethering caps and try switching AP band or moving to a less obstructed area to improve throughput. If issues persist, change the WPA2 password and repair clients. This often clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.